I don't even know where to begin. So a lot is going to be happening in the summer. The big news is that I will be moving. I will be moving, not to a different city, but to a different state. I am moving out of California. If you guys didn't know, I lived in California. And I am moving to Utah. And I have like 3 weeks to pack everything. There's good things and then there's sad things of this whole situation going on. I'm happy that new things will be coming, and I think new opportunities will be coming my way. And I'm excited to explore, to see what's out there more than just my city. I'm also sad that I get to leave. Like, hold on, there is like a freaking little bug. Hold on, there's like a little bug that's bothering me so bad. Oh, I got you. I got you, brother. You not coming with me? You're staying here. It's going to be hard to adjust to a different state, different weather, different people, different environment, different cities, because Utah is very different than LA. I live in the LA County area, so it's very different from where I live. So yeah, I'm just sad that I won't be able to go back to campus and then see all of my sorority sisters. I want to take you guys along with me. I want you guys to explore my journey, and I want to film this huge transition in my life that is going to impact not only me but my family as well. And then like maybe years later look back on it and I don't know. Anyways, yeah, so the moving vlogs are going to happen. I'll show you guys a bit of my room. I won't show you my whole house though, but I'll show you guys what I have to pack because it's a lot. So if you guys don't know, this is my room. Very kind of messy, not organized because I have just things out. But like I said, I need to just get rid of some stuff that is not really necessary to be here. I just need to get rid of some stuff that's like really not so necessary that I could just put away. But other than that, I just have to pack some stuff and then throw some things that I really don't need. And yeah, sorry about the situation going on here with my face. You guys already know I always break out. But yeah, I want to film this part and watch me pack things and put them away. So I don't even know where to begin, honestly. I think I'm just gonna begin with that corner over there. And I'm going to be putting them in these 4 boxes that I got. You're not talking because I've been just laying down, just thinking about it. Like, should I start? But it's gonna happen either way. So I have to start. Hey guys, it is like a week later after I have filmed that first part of the video, and yeah, I just want to show you guys what I have like packed. I know you guys can tell, like, girl, you haven't packed anything because the bag still looks the same. But I did pack some clothes. These are just things that I'm going to be able to take with me. The rest of the stuff will be in the storage, so all of this clothes will be going with me. I just still need to pack some sweaters that I really don't need. These are all of my shoes that I'm taking. Clothes, it looks like a lot because there's a lot of hangers, but really yeah, that's pretty much it. And then, so that's going to go to storage. I already cleared all of that stuff. I need to put some stuff here away. here, all of that too is going to the storage. That's all packed. These are just hangers, these are just things. This is all my makeup. This I need to get away to one of my sisters, but that's not till later. I still need like a package that I ordered for her. Hopefully it's mailed out soon. Hopefully it's like mailed soon before I leave. But yeah, like I said, all of these things are just really the things that I'm using right now, like my deodorant, my hats, my lotion, and my body spray. I know it does look like a mess, but once I'm cleared out, I'm gonna clean it out. I have already cleared out some stuff here, and those are like books that I need to like sell, or I don't know, get rid of something. And then these are also some clothes that it's just like chill, like to stay at home clothes, that I'm going to be taking with me too as well. Hopefully I can fit all of that into this little suitcase. I still have another big suitcase that I'm going to be taking, and that will be just like my jeans, my tops, my shoes. Hopefully will fit in it. It's a pretty big one. But also today I'm going to get my hair done. I'm just going to touch up on my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me along the process. So yeah, I don't want to go all the way up to my roots. Maybe, I don't know if that makes sense. So this is my hair before, and then you'll see the after. I kind of want to go a bit more blonde than what it is right now, but I don't know, we'll see. Everything always changes once you get there. So wish me luck. Bye. Hold on a second. Okay. Whew. Hey guys, it is the next day. This is how my hair turned out. I don't know if you guys see my other clip where like it's a little bit more darker, like my roots are really coming out. So I am back. I went to church today, but you can see a bit more. I look funny with this bow thing right here. But I just got out of church, and then after that I went to the mall, and I just want to show you guys what I bought. I bought a little bit of stuff because I'm not supposed to be shopping. Yeah, but I just want to show you guys what I've got. I went to Pink, and I just bought these. Were on sale. These are some leggings, but these are different kind of leggings, but I like them, and they're on sale. They were $20. Yeah, for $20. And I like their little logo here in the bag. It's like a different material, but I can't wait to try these on. They look very cute. So that's all I got. Just kidding. It's like, I wish. And then I went to two malls. I went to two malls, and I went to Forever 21. So at the first one, this is a long story, it's just a simple white t-shirt because my mom washed my whites and she mixed it with the colors, and she messed up all of my white t-shirts. So I have no white t-shirts at all. So I just bought this simple small t-shirt, white t-shirt, white top, t-shirt, whatever, knit top. Yeah, so I just bought this plain white top, and that's it. This is the only white top that I have. So yeah, I don't know, I have no idea what went through her mind when she did that. She had no clothes, so I wash my own clothes. I separate my clothes, whites with whites, colors with colors, darks with the darks, all of that stuff. But she didn't have enough clothes to make a load. So she grabbed some of mine without me knowing, and she grabbed the whites and she mixed it with the light colors. My white shirts came out like blue, and yeah, it was a mess. So I have no white shirts. Then I went to a different mall and I bought these cute socks. Every time I'm like making line to go and pay, I have to get some of these socks. These are so cute. And then I've been wanting like a top like this, and I'm very glad I got it. It's very cute. It's like something like this. It's kind of like crop top. But yeah, I don't know. I'm happy, and it's white too. So these are the only two white tops that I have. And then I went into American Eagle and I bought some shorts. I don't like wearing shorts because I have very thin legs. I'm like super pale from my legs and I don't like how they look. So I decided summer's coming up and I have no jean shorts at all. So I decided, okay, I need to get some jean shorts because I don't have any, and what the heck. So I got these shorts. These are pretty cool. These are the mom shorts, and this is from the back. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about the rib part at the front, but I think they're okay. So yeah, I like how they look on me though. So that's it. That's all I got at the mall. So I think I'm just going to end the video here. But before I end the video, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you guys who participated on the giveaway. I already chose the giveaway winner on my Instagram. I announced her. I feel like I should have been more clear on the video, just giving you guys like a week to enter the giveaway, but I didn't. It's my first giveaway, so I didn't know how. So I just ask that you guys be patient with me. I'm still learning all of this. There will be more giveaways, and I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you guys who participated, who liked the video, who subscribed and followed me on Instagram. Next time I will be more clear in the rules and all of that stuff. But yeah, I just want to say a huge thank you for supporting me. I really loved your guys' comments. It's so sweet, so supportive. And yeah, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you guys, and make sure you guys like, subscribe and comment to keep up with more videos. So yeah, have a nice day guys.